In this video, let us see how we can use the concept of nature of roots to solve some word problems. So this is the first problem, which says, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay, so it is given that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years, and 4 years ago the product of their ages was 48 years. You have to find out whether such a situation is possible to happen. Okay, as I told you, whenever it is asked in the question, is it possible or is such a situation can happen, if such kind of questions are there, means you have to find the nature of the roots to find out whether the situation is going to happen or not. Now, to find out or to use the nature of roots, first you have to form the equation. After you form the equation, then you have to find the discriminant, and based on the discriminant you can judge or you can conclude whether the given equation has real roots or not. If the equation has real roots, then you can proceed and find the roots of the equation. Otherwise, you have to stop there. Now let us do this problem. So it is given that the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Okay. So first, let us take the present age of one of the friends to be x years. Okay. Let the present age of one friend be x years. Now, since the sum of their ages is 20 years, what will be the age of the other friend? The age of the other friend will be 20 minus x years. This is the first condition. Then you have another condition which talks about 4 years ago. So 4 years ago, age of the first friend was x minus 4 years. So what was the age of the second friend 4 years ago? 20 minus x minus 4 years, which is 16 minus x years. Okay, so this is before 4 years. What else is given to you? It is given 4 years ago the product of their ages was 48 years. So given that the product of their ages 4 years ago was 48 years. Upon solving the equation, you get x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Now first, as I told you, you have to form the equation. Now you have got the equation. Now you have to find the discriminant, correct? What is the discriminant given by b square minus 4ac? So what is a here? A is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. So let us substitute here. So when I substitute, I get this, and you see you get minus 48 upon solving. Now you can see b square minus 4ac is minus 48, which is less than 0. So what can you conclude from this? Since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the equation has no real roots. The equation will have no real roots. So if the equation cannot have real roots, means what? The given situation is not possible, because you can't find the solution of the given equation in the real number system. So what you have to conclude is, therefore the situation is not possible. So given a problem of this type, this is how you have to solve it.